So hey everyone, and again welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Alok Pandey, and today I'll be solving my next question on Leetcode, and the question is palindrome number. So here it is. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So yeah, so here it's written very firstly we have to read the question, our first approach. So very firstly we should understand like question क्या कह रहा है. Okay, so our question is given an integer x, return true if x is a palindrome number. Okay, otherwise false. So very firstly we should know what is palindrome number. Okay, so basically palindrome number is a number when we will reverse it, on that time also it remains same. For example, like take our first example, like here it is, input is 121, and if we will reverse it from back side, from its last digit, then also we'll get 121 only. Okay, and for example we can take another example of 123 for better understanding. So we'll take 123, it's 123, and if we will reverse it from last, we'll get 321. So our output will be 321 and input is 121. Like and in our scenario 1, our input is 121, our output is also 121. So our scenario 1 is a palindrome number and scenario 2 is not. So let's dive more deep in this question. So here I'll start like how we can get this palindrome number, how to find a palindrome number. There should be an approach, there should be a algorithm for it. So very firstly I'll explain it a little bit. After that I'll be solving live on my Leetcode. Okay, so here it is. For finding any palindrome number, if it is written 121, x is 121. So very firstly we have to start, we have to find our last digit, and for finding our last digit we have to divide our whole number, whole integer or x with 10. Sorry, we have to do modulus with 10. Okay, so if we will do modulus with 10, will of 121 will get 1. Okay, so we'll get 1. So we can do like 0 into 10 plus 1, so we are getting 1. And in second step we'll take last digit into 10 plus 2. So like what is 2? So here we can create a formula like reverse into 10 plus last digit. I hope you all are getting what I'm trying to explain you guys. So like this. So okay, so let's just come to the screen because I don't have touchpad, so I cannot explain like that. So here if I am trying to do the code, and I'll explain by you code. So very firstly I'll remove this. Okay, and very firstly I'll write my code with static, static. Static, I'll write here boolean. Here I'll tell you why boolean, because here we are finding, or here we are looking for whether it is true or false. So that's why here we are using boolean, not any other data type. So static boolean is palindrome. So is palindrome, and here we'll take input as x. Okay, curly braces will be starting from here, and here very firstly I'll make a temporary variable for storing our x. Okay, for storing our integer I made here. After that I'll make a reverse. In reverse I'll store, very firstly I'll store 0. After that it will be updated in my code. Okay, and here after what after making, so yes guys, my screen was off. So after making this, I'll write here my loop. I'll write here while loop, because so here while x is greater than 0, x is greater than 0. If x is greater than 0, then here I'll write int digit, or we can say last digit, anything, and here I'll write x modulo 10. This is the formula which I was trying to explain few minutes back, so here I'll be more comfortable. So int digit is equal to x modulo 10. So after doing this, we'll get our digit, and here in reverse, I told you formula earlier only, reverse into 10 plus digit or last digit. Okay, and after that, in my x, I'll be writing x divided by 10. So here it is our while loop ending, and after this I'll give a condition. If reverse is equal to temp, reverse is equal to temporary, then return true, otherwise else return false. So let's check our code whether it is correct or not. Yeah, so it is correct. It is correct because here our first input is 121. Reverse of 121 is 121. So it is true. For case 2, minus 121. So here some guys will say me, or they will be confused, are like freshers, like reverse of 120 minus 121 will be minus 121, but no, just see it carefully, it is negative 121. Negative 121 will, if we will reverse it, will get positive. So it's different. Do not watch the number 121, watch focus on symbols as well as. So that's why it is false. It is not a palindrome number, while 121 is palindrome number. And here if we are checking for 10, so I guess you all know the answer. For 10 is also, if we are reversing it from last 10, we are getting 01, 1001. So it is also false, as expected. So this is our test case. Test case are pass. Just submit. %100% beats. Okay, so thank you so much guys for giving me your valuable time and watching this solution. Stay tuned for more updates. Bye bye, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you really like my efforts.